Hello world, how you doing? Siema, dzień dobry wszystkim, I'm Damian from TheMonkeys, and today my plan is I'm going to Sentosa Island, which is just behind me. First of all, I need to take a free train from Vivo City Mall, which is over there. I'm gonna show you also. I wanna focus on Sentosa Island, Universal Studio. I wanna visit also maybe one beach over there. The easiest way to go to Sentosa Island, you just go to the Vivo City Mall, which is just behind me, and MRT station is Harbor Front. There is also walk, 550 meters, but I'm gonna take a train. It's too hot for walking here. All you need to do, you have to follow Sentosa Express on level 3, guys. So many people, by the way. And on the 3rd floor, you're gonna find a huge entrance to the Sentosa and Sentosa Express. Just remember, follow these signs. And this is the small train, looks like this. And this is the stations where you can stop. Alright guys, just arrived to the Universal Studio in Sentosa, one of the popular hotspots in Singapore. Everybody wants to have a picture here. There is the Universal Studio that you can get inside and explore, but also here is the huge aquarium, and both of these things, they're gonna be extended in the near future, I think very soon. So in next few years later, they will be the biggest and the most fancy. It's already fancy and big actually, but it's gonna be better. When I was here last time, definitely was busier. It's also 1 p.m, so be ready if you come at that time. It will be very, very hot. Meanwhile, I have to make some nice pictures with the Universal Studio. Also a little bit about the prices. Universal Studio one-day ticket for adult, it's gonna be $81, for kids $61. And the aquariums is very sunny, so it's hard to see. One-day ticket price is gonna be $41 per person, $30 for kids. And behind is just the entrance. Is great place to visit. I've been there once. Highly recommended. However, today I want to show you all around Sentosa Island, not only Universal Studio. So I'm gonna move to the different location and show you a little bit around what you can find, except this Globe Universal photo place. Everybody making pictures over there. Most of people coming here actually to having a picture like this. So remember to have a good pose, guys. So cool, but it's very quiet today, so it's good to come earlier, because last time when I was here, literally was super busy. And here's the entrance to the aquarium. I've been also there, but I will come back to visit Universal Studio and aquarium when they're gonna refurbish and make it modern, and they're gonna make it new again. Meanwhile, also there is the entrance to the casino and so many resorts. By the way, that was my favorite stand in Sentosa, but it's closed. Many businesses are still here closed, but I heard someone's conversation just next to me, and a few weeks ago here was totally 0 people. So there is the entrance to the TH, there is the festive walk. This is where I'm heading, some Sentosa Singapore monument, whatever, and everywhere the entrance to casino, by the way. You can also find so many restaurants, cafes, Starbucks, Hard Rock Cafe, stuff like this, and also remember to drink a lot of drink. It's so hot in Singapore. Okay, maybe cola is not the healthiest, but yeah, at least drinking, okay? And there is so many vending machines if you cannot find a drink. Also very important, it's not that easy to find the drinks here. So vending machine, remember, next to the walking stairs over there. Festive walk, so many ladies making pictures, and there's supposed to be a resort somewhere here. Little bit of view from the top. Well, it's supposed to be busier, but it was closed for longer while. Also here supposed to be a nice fountain, but unfortunately still closed. If you're interested about the cable car here, that's the prices. There are 3 different lines, and prices looks like this. Just arrived to the Siloso beach. There are even some beach clubs here around. Definitely not like in Bali, but some sort of similar vibe. There are definitely some beach resort vibes. There are some people enjoying. I just need to find a way there how to get to the beach itself, but from the street it looks actually pretty cool. Seems like a great place to enjoy the weekends if you are living in Singapore. There are some even cool looking bars here, like a bikini bar. And here we go, guys. I quickly run. I'm gonna show you the first time standing my feet on the beach in Singapore. Yeah, nice beach, white sand beach. What I can say. I'm gonna explore a little bit more. Bikini bar. Pretty cool place. Also there is like a free shuttle bus around, so you can commute for free, or you can rent a bicycle. Or if you don't want a bicycle, you can rent a Segway. Here is like a big hall, so many people enjoying their time. Well, they're having time, they're enjoying. And this is the public beach next to these bars. People enjoying their time, a little bit different than in Bali, more active, I could say, by the beach. And it's a very nice looking beach, actually, I have to say. There is the Ola Beach Club at the front, so you can enjoy the time, similar like in Canggu. However, the beach looks actually better than in Canggu. There are some little islands, you can do the water sports, you can swim, you can enjoy. In the background there is the harbor, I mean the docks. I think docks, maybe on the other side, there are the docks over there, but they are container ships. And well, it's very hot, but so many people by the beach. But it's definitely too hot for me. Emerald Pavilion over there, if you wanna locate this on the Google Maps. Also, so many people doing the TikToks here or any kind of Instagram. They really like to recording themselves actually here. And over beach clubs everywhere around, seems like very family friendly place, and it's just a little bit too hot for me at 2 o'clock. It's definitely for sure. But if I will be living in Singapore permanently, definitely I will enjoy my weekends here, Saturday or Sundays, in one of these beach clubs or just simply by the beach. But now I'm thinking to take a cable car to show you that everything from the sky. Only one thing what I realized, there is no lady selling you anything like in Bali, guys. Heading now to the tower where I'm gonna take the cable car going back to the Vivo City. However, there's like a little jungle or something. There are so many sounds of the nature. So this is like a little Bali, as people saying in Singapore, a little, I don't know, Phuket. They have a resort complex. There are so many resorts. There is the beach, and this is where people enjoying their weekend if they wanna be by the beach. There is also very interesting fact in Singapore. I don't know if you guys knew about that, but everybody, almost everybody, especially who are like middle class and or up, they having maid in their condominium or something like that, wherever they live. The people have to have a day off on Sundays. So if you're gonna come at Sunday, there will be so many people enjoying their time, and they have to have a day off. You can have a bungee jump like this lady is doing, but I'm looking for the cable car. I don't like this one. Regarding this lower profile jobs like being a maid, selling, being the shopkeeper like in the 7-Eleven, or cleaning the streets or something, this is the jobs most likely for Filipino people, from Thai people, Indonesian, Vietnamese people, Indian people, Pakistan people, but doesn't mean as they are discriminated. It's Sunday, they're coming to the beach and they're enjoying the time next to the white-looking people like from Europe, America, or Australia, or wherever, or even Singaporean people. That's how it is. Also, this is huge chance for the people. There is so many Indonesian people working in Singapore, and this is their own choice and willing, and many even more would like to work here, because even the lowest salary in Singapore is still much better than having the lowest salary in Indonesia or in Philippines or in India, guys. Trust me. Also, you can have a free drive, like stuff like this. Hello, I gotcha. Also, somebody said as people here in Singapore, they are not friendly. Whenever I meet the people, they are so friendly. Not even mention about this elderly people who working in the McDonald's or working in the MRT stations. If they see me as I'm confused, you know, like sometimes you can get confused. They're coming and they are so friendly. Really, I never heard here anything bad. So maybe some of you have just bad experience, guys, or maybe I'm not living here too long. But from the perspective of the visitor, also, it's good to mention as the elderly people who working in the McDonald's, who cleaning there or selling there or in MRT stations, they're actually originally Singaporean people who are less fortunate, and they still have to work even their very old age. Some of them, they are like 70 or even more. They actually retired but still have to work. So remember that, not only rich people living in Singapore. The cable car ticket is cost you $12 in one way. I think it's gonna be rainy, by the way, and this is the Siloso point if you are interested where is this beach and where I were. Also, I think you can use it all day, so it's not only one way, but you can go and back, or something like that, or at least return for sure. And the cable cars looks like this. I hope so. It's cool. I don't know how many people get inside. And actually, guys, thanks to that, as I'm alone in the full entire cable car, so I feel actually so happy with that, because I can peacefully talk and show you around. And by the way, this is actually super cool view overlooking the not Marina Bay, but the Sentosa Island. Highly recommended to do it is for $15. And if you don't want to explore the, you know, what I saw at the beginning of the video, you can directly just come from the, after you pass the Vivo City in Sentosa, come here. The views are super cool. Of course, if you are heights afraid, it's maybe a little little scary for you. And there will be one station here going down, and they are the resorts at the front, and the view of the Singapore actually is over here. It's very worth to show you around. It's gonna be rainy, by the way. And there you can get to the city at the front. There's different cable, and there is the harbor at the front. And this is the waterfront in Sentosa Island. You can also see the Sentosa Island, the harbor, and the other side actually will be, I think it will be rainy, so I think slowly I have to go outside from this because there's so many, you know, open air area here. I show you as much as possible from Sentosa Island since the beginning, since Universal Studio up to the beach. And well, you know the prices, you know how does it look. I hope so you enjoy, and you know how to navigate right now if you come by yourself. And well, thank you so much for watching for today, and I will see you tomorrow on next one, another vlog from Singapore. Take care, guys.